Hi guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here, and today we're going to add these LED fan lights to this custom built PC. Hey guys, Mike again from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here. So this is more of just like a little mini tutorial. So if you guys have been following my YouTube channel, you know that I've been building this Ryzen platform PC. This is a custom Corsair case. I have an MSI motherboard attached to the system, along with an AMD Ryzen processor and AMD graphics, etc. like that. But again, this is more of a video so that I could add some LED fans to this specific build. So when I bought this fan, I didn't realize that, or not the fan, when I bought this PC, I didn't realize that it only came with one LED fan, and that LED fan is placed right here in this little area, and it looks good when you turn it on, but I'm just not really satisfied with the appearance overall. So I went ahead and bought a new set of fans, LED fans, from the same makers, CORSAIR. These are the AF120 fans, and it's about 120 mil on the size. So luckily this case fits this particular size of fans. So I have a lot of options for fans. There's maybe about 3 other spots that I could put these fans in. But anyways, basically these fans were not very expensive at all. I think for the set it cost me about 18 bucks plus tax, free shipping on Amazon Prime. So if you guys want to build your own custom PC and do something like this later on in the future, I'll go ahead and link these down below just so you guys can check that out. Very cheap little improvement to a custom PC built, but just so you guys can see what they look like, I pulled another working fan out of a other PC that I have, and this one's actually a blue LED, and I'm thinking I'm still going to mount it over here in the very back just for the heck of it, just because I kind of want a few different colors going on. We'll see how it goes. I'm not completely certain if I am going to add this, but I'm going to go ahead and add these on, guys, and let's take a look how this turns out. Again, right now there's only one LED fan, and I'm going to connect all of them, and we'll see how it looks, guys, okay? Alright guys, so sorry you just saw like a little time lapse of me putting this together. A little trial and error, but I got things going. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. I haven't put the front face case yet, just so that you guys can kind of take a look to see like where I set the LED lights up. So this was one of them right here, the new fans. This was the stock fan that it came with. I set another one back here, and then I set another one up here, guys. So what I'm getting, and again, here's the front face to the actual portion of the PC, and I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it on just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. Here, hold on, wait. Power button don't work. You probably help if I turn that on. Whoa, hello. Alright, so as you can see there, I got it going, but all lights are working, including that blue LED that I plugged in over here on the bottom, which I thought was a pretty cool little light. Again, I stole that blue one from another PC case that I had, and it just so happened to fit, and I like the fact that it's the same color, obviously, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put the case back on, and we'll show you guys how this looks complete. Okay guys, everything's put back together. Now, moment of truth, I'm gonna turn this baby on, and I'm actually gonna turn the lights off just so that you guys can get a better look here, and at least in the background. That way you guys can see how this sucker looks with the LED lights. And this is something anyone can do on their custom PC build. It's not very hard, but let me go ahead and turn this back on. Alright, there you go. So these are my new LED lights. And let me just go all the way around. It looks really good. And of course, you know, if you guys are not aware, every motherboard has inputs for PC fans. But again, you might not have as many as I do, specifically on this motherboard. I think I have like 5 or 6 areas that I could actually plug in PC fans to my actual PC case, or not PC case, but yeah, this motherboard is a Tomahawk B350 by MSI, so it's a pretty big size motherboard. But again, guys, like, check this out. It looks so good. I want to turn off all my lights. I'm gonna turn off all the lights. Hold on real quick. I'll just have my background light on there. But this looks pretty freaking cool. Like, I'm not gonna lie. This was just a cheap little improvement that I did, again, to my custom built PC here. And as you can see, Windows is over there starting up. But man, I'm pretty proud of this specific PC build. I had never built a PC before in my entire life, so the fact that I was able to gather all the components and do all this, guys, was very simple. It's not hard. You just have to do your research. But again, buying fans and doing that is going to go a long way, because your motherboard does need to stay cool, and so does your CPU. So the cooler your PC is, the better it runs. So that's why a lot of people do water cooling, especially on the CPU. Again, I'm not going to go to that extreme, but again, guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe, guys. And as always, thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.